What's up YouTube? Mitch with I-95 Muscle. It's a little windy out here today, but wanted to do a video on this truck. I might have already done a video on this truck, but it's worthy of two. So, frame off restoration. The frame was powder coated, metallic gray, along with everything else that they could powder coat. There's 4 colors on the whole truck. You've got gray, chrome, teal, and white. That's about it. But we hadn't had it outside in a while. Figured I'd pull it out today and give you guys a chance to check it out.
Oh, that's nasty.
Shaved handles, shaved bumper bolts, every piece of teal leather that this leather company had, white face gauges. He's got a subwoofer hidden behind the seat here. Headliner matches. Little center console matches. The bed cover is actually made out of the floor of another truck. Carpeted all inside. ZZ4 cam, crate 350. But yeah, we'll roll it down to the end of the drive there and then park it outside for the day. It's like the prettiest day we've had out of 2019 so far. Little bow tie down there on the kick panel. Crazy. Probably one of the most complete square body builds we've had at I-95 Muscle. Park it out here and have some Easter colors for Easter that's coming up next week. Do one more walk around it. See, the drip rails are shaved too. Oh, and the poppers work as well. So, a lot of times when people do those kits, they end up going out and not working. So, had an Escalade, a couple of 12 Mustangs. The orange one's a real Boss 302. One of 1066 this color, but my price sheet is trying to fly away. There we go. If you had those 2 cars, nobody could say your car collection was dull, that's for sure. Competition orange and the color we've dubbed aqua fresh teal here. So the hood hinges were also powder coated gray. I mean, they took the latches out of the door, powder coated and put them back in. They didn't skip anything on this truck. It's pretty crazy. Well, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.